All right, so once you get the data from here, when you click on data, once you get that data, what I need for you guys to do is click on B, and it'll highlight that whole row. Hold the shift button and click on C. Okay. And then from there, we're going to click on insert and go down to chart. And it'll give you a chart like this. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to try to mathematically figure out how many meters the t-shirt will go based on how many pumps of the bike pump, right? So we're basically trying to figure out like the air pressure and how it has an impact on how far the t-shirt gets launched. Does that make sense? Okay. So then what we need to do is we got to, in order, and the computer will do the math for us, but the first thing I want you guys to do is we're going to go over here and scroll, click on customize, sorry. And then I got to remember where it is. Let me think here. Go to these, let's do this first. Click right here on those three darts, or dots, not darts. And then we're going to make that its own sheet. So go down here to move to own sheet. And then mine says chart 3 because I keep doing this all day long. So remember that you can rename that by double clicking on it. And I'm just going to say pumps. Well, they say distance versus pumps. So we'll do distance. I'll abbreviate versus pumps. We get that. Thanks. Okay. And now I want to edit this chart. So if I click on edit the chart, now we'll come in and we'll go to customize. So the x-axis, just set it right there. The x-axis is the number of pumps we pumped on the bicycle pump. And then this is the distance, the y-axis is the distance the t-shirt launched in meters. Okay. So I think if you go to Legend, don't do it yet. Let me see if that's the place to go. No, not Legend. Series. Yeah. So if you go to Series and click on Series, and then scroll down here to where it says Trend Line. Okay. And by default, it'll say linear, and it'll give a color. Let's change that color to red just for funs. Okay. I'm going to make the line a little thicker too. All right. And then when it says label, what we really want is the equation. So if where it says label, you're going to click on use equation. And it's a linear equation. So this is y equals mx plus b. So my slope is 0.268. My y-intercept is 9.78. That's just the linear model, okay? We didn't do any data less than 25 pumps. It would change drastically if we pumped it one time and then shot it. It would go 0 meters, right? So, but this is just for approximating. These are just approximate values. So then, does everybody have the equation? All right. So then, when you close that out, you get this. Okay. Let me